Hi, in this video I will show you how to install SS IPTV on Smart TV. So if you want to install the SS IPTV, you first need to head over to your actual Google Play or any app store that you have onto your device. From in there, click onto the search bar and search in here for SS IPTV. You should be able to see in here this. So click on it. And then from in there, you can see this. Make sure to click onto this install and have it installed into your actual device or smart TV. Once you have installed it, it should be able to ask you for your MAC address. So what you can do in that is you can just head over and then get the TV's MAC address. And then from the actual website, we have in here this. So just head over to the homepage of the SSIP TV. You can see in here what it will look like. Now they have in here the operators that you can utilize. We also have in here all of these things that you can also use. They have for operators, broadcasters, and a lot more for these cases right here. So just head over and then click onto this install in order to have it into your actual IPTV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.